Hi viewers, are you having a hard time trying to fit into the dress that you bought last year? If the answer is yes, you may want to implement some lifestyle changes to solve it. Stomach fat can result in negative effects on your health if it is not solved at the right time. In this video, we will show you 6 easy exercises to lose belly fat at home for beginners. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribed our channel and hit the bell icon below for getting all the new updates. Battle rope. If you want to burn fat at a much faster rate, then battle rope exercise can get you the best results. Even gym trainers also suggest battle rope workout to burn calories. Practicing the battle rope for 5 minutes means burning 10 calories. Battle rope exercise makes your upper body strong by targeting on the accumulated fat in difficult areas. Stand with feet shoulder width apart in a quarter squat, facing the anchor. Then hold one side of the rope in each hand. Lower the battle ropes down to your sides with your arms extended. Lower into a squat, tighten your core, and explode into the air, jumping high while raising both hands overhead. As you land softly back down into squat, forcefully slam the ropes onto the floor in a wave motion. Repeat this for 30 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds. Do 3 to 4 sets. Jumping rope. The jump rope is a perfect cardio exercise. It warms up your body, strengthens the muscles, increases aerobic fitness, and burns a lot of calories in a short period of time. Hold the rope while keeping your hands at hip level and rotate your wrists to swing the rope and jump. Jump with both feet at the same time, 1 foot at a time, alternating between feet, etc. and repeat this. Interval training. The great thing about adding interval training to your workout routine is that you can build both strength and endurance fast. You can put together a 20 to 30 minutes routine that mixes and matches these great interval exercises options. Running stairs provides an excellent interval workout without much time or equipment. All you need is a set of stairs. The cardiovascular benefits are similar to running. Stairs are a great way to build sprint power. Donkey kicks. If you are searching for an exercise to target and tighten your rear end, look no further than the donkey kicks. This exercise is the best for beginners to lose belly fat. Assume the starting position on knees hip width apart, neck, hands under your shoulders, and spine neutral. Bracing your core, begin to lift your right leg, knee staying bent, foot staying flat, and hinging at the hip. Use your glute to push your foot straight toward the ceiling and squeeze at the top. Ensure your pelvis and working hip stay pointed toward the ground. Return to the starting position and repeat this. Stationary lunges. Stationary lunges work for several muscle groups at once. Lunges also help your body burn calories for weight loss. To perform this, stand in an upright position. Stay forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure the other knee is low, but not on the floor. Keep the weight in your heels as you push back up to the starting position. Plank to downward dog. Down dog is one of the most widely recognized yoga postures, but it's also a complicated one. Down dog works the whole body and can build strength, increase flexibility, relieve back pain, and bring all the benefits of an inversion. Begin in plank and transition to downward facing dog. While in downward dog, lift your right hand and reach back to touch your left toe. Then place your right hand back on the floor. Repeat on the opposite side. Go back into plank. Start with 5 reps per side. Repeat 2 to 3 times. So friends, today we end up here today. Please share this video with your dear and near. Stay healthy and happy.